Okay, depending on the kind of bankruptcy that you enter, it can be a long process, but the active part of that process all happens right up front. So for instance, if you're doing Chapter 13 bankruptcy and you're entering a payment plan, it could be a number of years that you're making payments. But as far as me filling out the petition, doing the required court activities and meetings with trustees and creditors, all of that stuff is going to happen within the first couple of months. And after that's over, you are pretty much done other than just sending your check in to the trustee monthly. So it's a long process, but it's not particularly stressful or time-consuming. You're not going to be having to go to court for years and years on end. If you do a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, the process is even faster because you're going to get a discharge almost immediately within a few months after you file. So it's the same basic process in the beginning. We have to get together and fill out your petition, and then you'll have a meeting with the trustee. But after that, you're done, and that can happen within a month after you meet with me for the first time. So it's definitely not a long and time-consuming process. You're not going to have to go to court all the time. You're not going to be dragging things out for years unless there's some special circumstance with your case, which is really rare. And then as far as getting approved for it, really you don't need to be approved to file bankruptcy. As long as you meet the requirements of the code, the bankruptcy code, you can file bankruptcy there's not any kind of approval process at all. It's a right that you have under the United States Code and even the United States Constitution.